Zone Ads, World of Local Business Info. Subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon and select all.
Lions Club, Hyderabad, Malkajgiri, Lions Trust Bhavan, a dream come true. Lions Club of Hyderabad, Malkajgiri was established way back in the year 1982. Since then, for nearly 4 decades, we have been engaged in series of welfare programs by addressing the needs of the underprivileged sections of the society. Fortunately, we have a bunch of dedicated members who ensured that our service activities reach the needy from time to time. And last but not the least, the passion with which our leadership steered our activities made us aim at taking up extraordinary projects. It is a known fact that Malkajgiri has a typical socio-economic profile compared to other parts of Hyderabad. Although a significant population belong to the middle class, a sizable population live in slum dwellings who include migrant labor and families below poverty line who are the major beneficiaries who avail the services of our club. All the club meetings in program chartered for the Lionistic year were held in Lions Bhavan Paradise, which was the venue for all occasions at this juncture, under the dynamic leadership of members like Lion A. Lingareddy PDG and Lion P. Ravindranath Gupta IPDG, along with other members came up with idea of taking up the onus of constructing their own building in Malkajgiri by raising funds.
We have named our project as Lions Club of Hyderabad Malkajgiri Charitable Trust, and my members have nominated me as a chairman of the project. We started 39 years back. I joined this organization in the year 1986. Till then, every year, every president had a thought that we should have a permanent project for our club. Thereby it went on, but we were doing several service activities year by year. But in the year 2012 and 13, when I became the district governor, I had a thought that why not we have a permanent project in this period. So I requested all the fine members of Lions Club of Malkajgiri to have a permanent project. With their kind help, they have selected a land which is centrally located and it is very much near to all the members and also the slums where we can do number of service activities. They have kindly accepted and they came forward with the kind donations of all the members. We have purchased the land and my contribution was a major contribution, and immediately we have started the construction and we have completed the ground floor very fast, and it came to utility, and we are doing service activities not only our club but also the neighboring clubs. Even the government programs, they are requesting for us to take up some programs in our premises. Nearby localities, all the slums are there. We have conducted several camps, and I am very much happy with the kind support of all the members, not only our club but also the other clubs of this fraternity. And I request furthermore support in completing those 2 floors also very shortly, and we will start different programs in that premises. And also I am very much thankful to my members for the kind support, and I expect the same support in future also. Thank you very much. Long live Lionism.
This mammoth task required great conviction and willingness from the dedicated members to realize the goal. The year 2013 can be termed as a red-lettered day in the history of Lions Club Hyderabad Malkajgiri, as 36 members of the club contributed 1 lakh each and purchased 400 square yards land in East Anandbagh.
Namaste. Lions Club of Hyderabad Malkajgiri, with a vision to serve the needy community, created an asset of 400 square yards of land in 2013 at Malkajgiri worth of 45 lakhs. The support and cooperation of club members and donors built permanent structure, completing ground floor with full amenities for club meetings, community functions at a nominal charge. Developing for the project under the chairmanship of Past Governor Laini Lingareddy Garu, raised with 2 more slabs which are completed. The permanent project not only accommodating the clubs and its members' functions, it is also supporting the district clubs and needy community functions. We foresee full completion of the project within the few next months. I am proud of be part in this noble cause. Long live Lionism. Thank you, one and all.
Subsequently, during second phase, it was unanimously decided that the structure will be named as Lions Trust Bhavan. And today, it gives immense satisfaction and a sense of achievement to all the members of our club that we could manage to achieve our dream of having our own premises, which not only gives more identity, but today we are in a position to organize sustainable programs like healthcare for the needy throughout the year by virtue of this Trust Bhavan.
The present condition of our club is that we have completed the ground floor and we are using it completely. The first and second floor we have already laid. We are planning to use it for a dialysis center, eye screening center and a dental care center. All these 3 projects have been delayed due to this COVID pandemic. In the near future, we will surely complete it and get into the service of the public in a very short time from now.
The success story of Lions Trust Bhavan is undoubtedly an exemplary and commendable achievement, as it was the result of a collective efforts by the passionate leaders and fellow Lion members for their painstaking efforts to mobilize resources to achieve their goal of constructing Lions Trust Bhavan for extending effective community service in all the adjoining parts of the biggest constituency in India.
Lions Club of Hyderabad Malkajgiri